close my eyes and sink beneath the surface of what I believe. Time stands still in shades of peace as waves of thought wash over me. Then searching high and running low till something made me let it go. Now truth comes rushing through my soul like water finding ways to flow. Deep blue within my mind, I'm leaving fear behind. Deep blue within my mind, a new self I find. Ooh, finding peace inside. 静かな水の中で冬より自分と向き合う。心が開いていく。深い青み溶けてる。魂が走ると魂がへつまってく。自由を感じてる。Breaking through the surface now, learning what this life so everything is clear somehow. Deep blue within the night, I'm leaving fear behind. Deep blue within my mind, a new self I find. Ooh, finding peace in the depths of consciousness. I found the strength to acquiesce. Let the current take control. This ancient wisdom fills my soul. Water dancing with the light, teaching me to feel alive. Deep blue within my mind, I'm leaving fear behind. Deep blue within my mind, a new self I find. Inside. Late at night by the water, just me here. Something familiar in the ripples, moving slow. Looking down, getting closer, almost there. Think I know the face but different from before. Surface getting clearer now, is that looking back at me? Think I saw you in the reflection, not the same as yesterday. Think I saw you in the reflection, finally seeing change. Every ripple shows another part of me. Time has changed the way I move now, way I feel. Standing still, the water moving, breaking through. think I saw you in the reflection. I've been searching for too long for a calm I couldn't find, till I let the water take me, let it ease my restless mind. Deep inside, where the quiet waters rise. Deep inside, that's where peace lies. Deep blue, it wash over me. Deep blue, set my spirit free. In the stillness of my room, feel the tides begin to sway. Every breath becomes an ocean as my troubles flow